What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is on fire. Heading towards 42,000. Are we going to break the all-time high for the last 3 months? So lately, after the major sell-off for Bitcoin, we know that we saw it reach all the way to 64,000, pulled back since, held around 30,000, consolidated there for quite some time, but slowly but surely rebounding now. And what's happening with SHIB? It's also kind of following the same trajectory, but not the same. It's not having the same percentage gains, unfortunately. So up 2% on the day, nothing too specific. And we're going to talk about what the potential for SHIB to start rebounding and go back to all-time highs is in the short and long term. But remember, guys, my channel is not for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And one of those, of course, is Shiba Inu. And the link in the description below, of course. If you haven't already, SHIB Army, if you want to support your boy in any way, shape, or form, click the link in the description and deposit 1 cent to get up to $2,300 worth of free stocks when you deposit money into your Webull brokerage account. So support me, and it also supports you as well. So thank you so much for everybody who has already signed up. But if you haven't already, take a moment, pause the video, click the link, go ahead, sign up, and then come right back to watch. So if we look at the chart right now, Shiba Inu is going, it's actually testing. So when we look at RSI, the relative strength index, it's testing and it's trying to approach that 70 RSI. So we always have to know, in terms of short term RSI, anything over 70 means overbought. Anything under 30 means oversold. So we approached undersold territory for quite some time, actually. We were at the bottom of the relative strength index, broke out of it a couple times, but have been within the 30 to 70 range. So again, right now, in terms of price action and long-term consolidation, again, that's exactly what's been happening. Look at this. Between July 19th and now, straight consolidation, folks. Literally have been trading sideways. And this article from FX Street, which I really like their technical analysis, so shout out to them, say Shiba Inu's price continues balancing act as SHIB nears a dramatic move. Upside or downside, no certainty, but in my opinion, it's going to be up towards the upside because there are some catalysts that we have been anticipating and finally, hopefully, going to see those get implemented. Now, Shiba Inu's price has failed to resolve a depressingly tight price action or the descending parallel channel, testing SHIB investors' patience and the durability from the May 19th support. So if you look at the basic chart, we see that again, it's basically just been trading sideways ever since for the last 3 months. Now, the building contraction in price verified by the tightening of the Bollinger Bands. What the heck is a Bollinger Band, you might ask? So again, simple Google search. It's Bollinger Bands are envelopes plotted at a standard deviation level above and below simple moving average of the price. Bollinger Bands help determine whether prices are high or low on a relative basis. They are used in pairs, both upper and lower bands, in conjunction with moving averages. So again, for SHIB, the fact that it's just been trading sideways for such a long time gets people starting to worry, because will investors get too bored and sell out of their positions so the bears will win, or will catalysts come about that's going to start making this thing move forward? Because this is not a stable token. This is not a stock or a cryptocurrency that is meant to trade sideways. We're increasing the amount of holders. We're looking to hopefully see some big price action, and there are catalysts on the way, right? Investors get too bored when they see consolidation, but in my opinion, that creates buying opportunities, because if you know there are some really, really significant catalysts on the way, you have some reassurance saying, well, it looks like right now we've built a strong level of support. Especially in crypto, when we see a week of consolidation for any cryptocurrency, that gives you some stability or conviction that, hey, this thing might not dip any lower, but rather investors are pretty comfortable with where it's at now, so they're just going to continue to hold their positions. So again, for me, it's upside potential moving forward. What's going to happen in terms of after the Coinbase listing, after Shibarium is announced and released, after all the catalysts that are yet to come to play. Of course, I expect return to all-time highs, right? And in addition to that, more and more individuals diversifying into the space as new investors are coming into the crypto market based off of the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum are rallying lately, killing it across the market. Their dominance, Bitcoin dominance at 45.6% and Ethereum dominance at 19.1%. So I think the best is of course yet to come for SHIB, And still, in my opinion, right now is a fantastic time to buy in preparation for the catalyst to come about. Because as soon as Coinbase announces it, we're going to see some significant price action for this thing. I'm not talking 5, 10, 15%. No, 20, 30, 40% gains after the announcement is made, and start getting new investors into Shiba Inu. So again, continuing on, indicates that the digital token is preparing for a sharp move that may resolve the channel pattern and establish a new definitive trend, meaning that it's going to either start going towards the up direction, or potentially can also we could see a sell-off depending on if catalysts don't come about ASAP. The sooner the better, of course, but we need those to be solidified to give people conviction and to continue to excite the investors that are holding their positions, including myself, of course. So you guys know I will be talking to Shytoshi, and I'm going to tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. I'm really hopeful that I'll be able to go live to give you guys some of the answers to your questions from the Q&A. So this is basically your last chance to ask any questions you might have, any burning questions. I will be referencing the video that I published, I think it was on Monday, to give everyone information, to pass those on to Shytoshi to hopefully give us answers to those questions. So make sure you guys tune in. Hopefully we're going to get a better picture of what's to come for Shiba Inu's future. What are the developers most excited about? Asking about token burn, all the hot topics that you guys have been asking. Hopefully ask and you shall receive. So again, that's what I'm looking forward to Shiba Inu. Doing a little bit of traveling this weekend, but again, I will be back home hopefully tomorrow. So looking to potentially live stream tonight. So if you guys want to tune in, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you have been joining the live stream, thank you guys all so much, especially to the elite members who are a part of the elite membership club. I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. You guys know that for sure. So again, we'll see how long this rally lasts. Wow, Bitcoin is just killing it. Just broke 42,000. My goodness, the buying pressure is on, folks. And remember, Bitcoin always tends to, if there's some bullish catalyst for Bitcoin specifically, sure, its price action gets affected, but soon after that, we start seeing the market follow as well. So if we look at the 1 hour chart, look at this thing. Up nearly 5% in the last hour. That's why I love this market so much. The volatility. Volatility excites me as an investor. Boring, consolidation, downward trends, 4 or 5% gains per month. Not really as exciting, but when we see 5-6% gains in an hour, that's pretty substantial. So again, you guys asked, of course, and I didn't even mention it throughout this video, but real quick here, you guys were the ones who have been asking, and you told me, hey, YourPOP, what is going on? We are interested, and maybe start covering new tokens as well. So I asked 2 days ago, would you guys like me to start talking about other crypto projects I really like in addition to SHIB? 60% said yes, 40% said no. So again, we want to talk about those that are, projects that I'm very long-term on, of course. That's set in stone. But in addition, we want to start covering other cryptocurrencies that have the potential to go up hundreds, if not thousands of percents in the short term. So make sure you guys tune into the live streams. I'm going to start taking note of some of the tokens you guys are interested in, and we'll start figuring out which might be a good investment to go into as we wait for SHIB's catalyst to come about. So thank you guys all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys' love and support, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also like this video. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.